The global automotive industry is undergoing a seismic shift, and at the heart of this transformation lies China. With its relentless pursuit of automotive dominance, China is reshaping the landscape, presenting both opportunities and challenges for established players like Germany. For decades, Germany has reigned supreme in the automotive world, synonymous with engineering prowess, luxury brands, and technological innovation. However, the rise of China's automotive industry is compelling Germany to adapt, innovate, and forge new partnerships to maintain its competitive edge in a rapidly evolving market. China's ambitions extend beyond its borders, aiming to become a global automotive powerhouse. This ambition has profound implications for Germany, a country whose economic fortunes are deeply intertwined with its automotive industry. As China's automotive industry matures and expands its global footprint, Germany faces a critical juncture. It must navigate this evolving landscape strategically, leveraging its strengths while addressing its weaknesses to thrive in a new era, defined by Chinese automotive might. The dynamics between these two automotive giants are complex and multifaceted, characterized by both collaboration and competition. China's rise is not merely a story of a new competitor emerging on the global stage, it represents a fundamental shift in the balance of power within the automotive industry. Understanding this shift is crucial for comprehending the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead for Germany's automotive sector. As China's influence grows, Germany must adapt and evolve to maintain its position as a leader in this transformative era of automotive history. China's ascent in the automotive world is marked by its sheer scale of production and its rapidly expanding export market. The country has become a global manufacturing hub, capable of producing an astounding number of vehicles annually. By the end of 2024, China's production capacity is projected to reach 40 million internal combustion engine vehicles and 20 million electric vehicles. This number is expected to further increase, with electric vehicle production alone reaching an estimated 25 million by late 2025. This massive production capacity not only caters to China's enormous domestic demand, but also fuels its ambitions to become a leading exporter of vehicles worldwide. China's export growth in the automotive sector has been nothing short of remarkable. In just a few years, China has transformed from a relatively minor player in the global automotive export market to a dominant force. In 2020, China exported around 1 million cars. By 2024, this figure had skyrocketed to an impressive 6 million, surpassing even the country's domestic demand. This surge in exports is a testament to China's growing manufacturing prowess, competitive pricing, and increasing focus on producing vehicles for the global market. This rapid expansion of China's automotive industry is reshaping global trade patterns and creating new dynamics in the automotive market. Established automotive powers like Germany are now contending with a formidable competitor that can produce vehicles at scale, offer competitive pricing, and cater to the growing demand for electric vehicles. China's emergence as an automotive export powerhouse is a clear signal of its ambition to become a dominant player in the global automotive industry, posing both challenges and opportunities for traditional automotive leaders like Germany. China's meteoric rise in the automotive industry is not solely a result of market forces, it is a testament to a deliberate and strategic approach by the Chinese government. Recognizing the strategic importance of the automotive sector, the Chinese government has implemented a range of policies and initiatives designed to foster its growth and propel it onto the global stage. These measures have created a supportive ecosystem for Chinese automakers, enabling them to compete aggressively, both domestically and internationally. One of the key pillars of China's automotive strategy is its unwavering support for the electric vehicle industry. The government has poured billions of dollars into subsidizing electric vehicle production, making electric vehicles more affordable for consumers and encouraging their adoption. This has created a virtuous cycle, driving demand for electric vehicles, which in turn has spurred investment in electric vehicle manufacturing capacity and technological advancements. Beyond financial incentives, the Chinese government has also implemented policies that favor local production and encourage technological innovation. These policies include tax breaks for companies that manufacture electric vehicles in China, stricter emission standards that incentivize the production of cleaner vehicles, and investments in research and development to foster breakthroughs in battery technology and autonomous driving. This comprehensive approach, combining financial support with strategic policy interventions, has created a highly conducive environment for the growth of China's automotive industry, enabling it to rapidly close the gap with established automotive powers like Germany. Section 4. Germany's auto industry at a crossroads: challenges and uncertainties. Germany's renowned automotive industry, long a symbol of engineering excellence and global leadership, is facing a confluence of challenges that are testing its resilience and forcing it to confront fundamental changes in the global automotive landscape. The rise of China as an automotive powerhouse, coupled with the rapid shift towards electric vehicles and evolving consumer preferences, has created a perfect storm for German automakers, necessitating a period of introspection, adaptation, and strategic realignment. One of the most pressing challenges confronting German automakers is a noticeable sales slump, particularly in key markets like China and Germany itself. BMW Group, for instance, experienced a 2.4% decline in sales in 2024, a trend reflected across several other German auto giants. This decline can be attributed to a confluence of factors, including weakening demand in China, a market that has been a significant driver of growth for German automakers in recent years, as well as economic headwinds in Germany and Europe more broadly. Adding to the woes of German automakers is the ongoing transition from traditional combustion engines to electric vehicles. While German automakers have made strides in developing EVs, they have been perceived as lagging behind their counterparts in countries like China and the United States in terms of both technology and market share. This lag can be attributed in part to Germany's historical strength in internal combustion engine technology, which may have led to a slower embrace of EVs. Additionally, the lack of a clear and comprehensive national strategy for EV adoption has created uncertainty for both automakers and consumers, potentially hindering the transition to a more sustainable transportation future.